Hi there, in this video I'm just going to show you how to use a notebook to kind of batch update the thumbnail or thumbnails for a selection of content items. So I've got a group here, you can see it's called tutorials. These are items I've used in various videos, and there's a mixture of feature services, a feature layer there hosted, various bits of data, and there's WebMaps as well. There you go at the top there, WebMaps. So there's a few things there, and I think what I'd like to do is I'll leave the feature layers alone, but for the WebMaps I want to just change the thumbnail so they're all the same one. So in my notebook here, you can see I do the basics at the top, and then what I do is just get the group ID and set the thumbnail path. So that's my new graphic. It's actually a sort of logo that I've uploaded to Gisco, but it could be a local source. You know, you might be on your server or whatever, but I'm doing this in ArcGIS Online. Then I get the populate group with that ID, which is this unique one. That's my tutorial one, and then I sort of flick through, iterate through items, and as long as it's got its type WebMap, then that's what items will be populated with, all those item IDs, and then I just print them out, see the title, and then I do a try, just do a bit of error trapping. So for each item in items that I've just got, i.e. all the WebMaps in this group, because I've got a that's the group.content, I do an item.update, so where the thumbnail equals the thumbnail path. So we just run it. So you can see it says found 3 items in group tutorials, and it's updated thumbnail for demo stuff, because I just do a print here and item.title to print, you know, because I'm looping through, you see, each one. So demo stuff, offset demo, and WebMap tutorial. So it looks like it's 3. So there's demo stuff. So if I just refresh this screen, it should have, there you go. So there's my WebMaps. So it's affected WebMaps only, and it's replaced the icon, the thumbnail, with my logo. So there you go. I hope you find that bit of code useful. It's just one of those little kind of housekeeping type things to save you a bit of work, you know. So yeah, thank you.